In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jotform in Squarespace. We'll keep this simple and make sure your form looks great on desktop and mobile. First, head to your Jotform dashboard and open the form you want to use. Look for the Share options for that form, then choose Embed. You'll see a few choices for how the form is inserted. Iframe is the most universal method because it isolates the form from the page and prevents styling conflicts. If you want the form to feel more native and adjust cleanly to different screen sizes, pick Embed without scroll, which is often the easiest choice for responsive layouts. Either way, Jotform will generate a snippet of code. Click to copy that embed code so it's ready to paste. Now switch over to Squarespace and open your site editor. Navigate to the exact page and section where you want the form to appear, then enter Edit mode. Add a new block by selecting the plus button, and from the basic category choose Embed. In the Embed block, open the code option, usually shown as angle brackets. Paste the Jotform embed code you copied a moment ago, then apply your changes. Give the form a second to load in the editor. If it looks cut off, that usually means the block height or container spacing needs a little more room. Don't worry, we'll fine-tune it after saving. When you're happy with the placement, save and publish the page so the embed goes live. Visit the live page in a new browser tab and test the form end-to-end, including on a phone or a narrow browser window. Your form should now be fully embedded and ready to collect submissions. A few quick tips to make things smoother. If you see scroll bars inside the form, switch to the Embed Without Scroll option in Jotform or increase the block's vertical space in Squarespace. If the form won't load, make sure your site is using HTTPS and that no ad blockers are interfering. For tight layouts, place the embed block inside a wider column so the form fields don't feel cramped. And if you change the form later in Jotform, you don't need to re-embed. Those updates flow through automatically. If you prefer tighter control over spacing, adjust section padding and alignment in the page editor so the form sits neatly within your design. Finally, preview on multiple browsers to confirm consistent styling and behavior. That's it. You've embedded a Jotform in Squarespace with a clean, responsive setup.